Welcome to the booth of FuTech at Plastasia 2022. Let us take a tour and explore the new features of Forza series injection molding machine, and you give us the chance to serve you in the best way possible. So we are showcasing our latest product, which is Forza series injection molding machine, and which is a totally make in India product.
From the last few days, I have experienced one thing, that our machine have been a source of attraction to this Plastasia.
If you want a lower power consumption with a higher production rate, the FuTech is the brand that you're looking for.
It is the all fully automatic, compact size and all safety features are included in this machine.
दिल्ली एनसीआर रीजन में तो हमारा रिकॉर्ड रहा है 24 आवर्स के अंदर हमने हमारी क्लाइंट्स की सारी कंप्लेंट्स को हैंडल किया है। उसके अलावा साउदर्न पार्ट के लिए बेंगलोर में भी हमारा सर्विस सेंटर है जो कि साउदर्न रीजन के हमारे क्लाइंट्स को कैटर करता है।
All in all, we promise to deliver and our clients are always satisfied from us.
We are addressing all our issues to make this company world class.
Yeah, we are currently one of the fastest growing injection molding manufacturers in India. And yes, FuTech will be one day in the top industry list of the plastic injection molding in India.
I have seen a lot of customers who are ready to explore himself.
In terms of warranty and service support, we offer 1 year warranty for the electronics part and the 2 year warranties for the mechanical parts.